Are you tired of YouTube restricting you from going live without your 50 subscribers? Stop. In today's video, I want to show you how you can go live on YouTube without 50 subscribers. You can even live stream, you can restream, or you can do a silent live stream with 0 subscribers. Be it a small creator or you are just starting as a new creator on YouTube, you can now go live without 50 subscribers. So stay with me till the end of this video. I will walk you through practical steps how you can go live even with 0 subscribers on YouTube. So guys, if you are new to my channel, my name is Kevin, the creator behind Grow with Kevin. In this channel, I teach both new and small creator how to grow fast on YouTube. Everything I share here on this channel is the strategies I use to grow. I bring them here to share with you. The ones I try and they don't work for me, I still bring them here to share with you so you don't make a mistake. So guys, let's dive into the practical steps on how you can go live on YouTube without 50 subscribers. The first thing we need to do is click on your Chrome browser. When you click on your Chrome browser, you click on the search. When you click on the search, you type studio.youtube.com. So while we are here, the only thing we need to do here is for us to come here. You see this place, they say edit. You can, this place they say edit. Yes, you can click on this edit. Just click on the edit and edit the title of your video, everything you want the video to be. So after you are done with your editing, you have edited everything, your title, put your description, thumbnail. So we'll come down here. Definitely, if you come here, stream settings, this stream settings, you definitely have to see your stream key here. But on my case, I cannot find my stream key here. So all right, this is a stream key. So this is my stream key up here. So if you want to change the streaming key, you can click on this drop down and say this is it. They said create new stream key. But on my case, I don't want to create. I will just click copy. So you see it has already been copied it on my keyboard. After that, I just have to close this interface totally. You come back now to the home page of your phone. There's this app called Live Now. So I will just come to Play Store. Let's download the Live Now. You click on the search icon and then come to search apps. You just type Live Now. You click on it and then this is the app. You can install it if you don't have it, but for me I already have it, so I'll just click on open. So with Live Now, you can definitely go live without having a single subscriber on your YouTube. Yes, the only thing you just need to do is for you to come here. You see, you can live stream to 6 platforms. You have YouTube, Facebook, Twist, TikTok, Twitter, and the rest. You can live stream to those platforms. So what we'll be live streaming with is we'll be live streaming on YouTube. So we'll click on YouTube. But before we click on YouTube, we'll come on Tools. When you come on Tools, here you can record a video with your face. That's, you can go live with your face, and then you can also use this software to record your video. Okay, if you come on screen record, make sure to always change this to 9:16. It will push this video fast because it will appear on vertical feed. Most live streams are appearing on vertical feed. That is where most people discover your live stream. So make sure it is always on vertical feed, on vertical format. So now we come back here to live stream. We click on YouTube. When you click on YouTube, the next thing you need to do is, since we don't want to live stream directly to YouTube, what we want to use is we'll be using stream with stream key. So we'll click on stream key, and then we will paste the key, the stream key we copied. Remember, there was a key we copied from our YouTube dashboard while we're going live. So we have to paste that key here. Immediately we paste that key here, we need to come and take next. If you take next, now do you want to live stream? Do you want to live stream with your camera? If you're taking this first one, live stream with camera, that means you want to talk as if you are live using your YouTube app. Yes. If you want to screen broadcast, that means you're using you want to teach people about something. This is mostly for people who are teaching with their phone. Like you're showing your your phone screen to your live video. But what we'll be doing is we'll be using video, because you already have a pre-recorded video that we want to use. And get in mind that your video should not be longer, it should not be longer than 60 minutes. That is what it is recommended here. Your video should not be longer than 60 minutes, and it should be under 1 gigabyte, and the video must be converted to MP4. So now what we'll do is we'll just come on next, and then we select a video that we have in mind that we want to live stream. All right, we'll be using this video. I just want to use a random video. Yes, we'll be using this video for the live stream. So this is a video. The video is already here now. The next thing we need to do, always make sure this is on loop. Yes, there's a sign at the left hand top of your screen. At the left top of your screen, make sure it is turned on. That is loop. The video, immediately it reach the end, it will start over again. Yes, it will start over again immediately it reach the end. So this is how you can go live using Live Now. The only thing that you need to do here is make sure to have a stable connection, and then you just hit start now. Immediately you hit start now, it will automatically synchronize with your YouTube channel, and YouTube will start pushing your video that you are live for people to join in. So guys, that is how you can go live on YouTube without having 50 subscribers. So guys, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, so anytime I find something interesting like this, I will share with you, and you will be the first person to know that I have dropped a video like this. And also leave a comment, what is your thought about this software? And make sure to share this video to someone who also is struggling to have his 4,000 watch hour, or who is also struggling to go live without having 50 subscribers, and he or she wants to get his 4,000 watch hour fast on YouTube.